Food is a fundamental part of our lives, providing nourishment and pleasure. However, not all foods are created equal when it comes to safety. While the vast majority of what we eat is harmless or even beneficial to our health, there are some foods that pose hidden dangers that can be fatal when consumed improperly or in excessive amounts. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most deadly foods and the reasons why they should be approached with caution. 1. Mushrooms. Mushrooms can be a delectable addition to many dishes, but some wild varieties can be extremely toxic. Misidentification of edible mushrooms and their toxic counterparts can lead to severe poisoning, organ failure, and even death. It is crucial to be knowledgeable about mushroom species or purchase them from reputable sources. 2. Fugu. Pufferfish. Considered a delicacy in Japan, fugu is notorious for its potentially lethal poison called tetrodotoxin. Chefs must undergo rigorous training and obtain a license before preparing fugu dishes. Ingesting even a trace amount of this toxin can lead to paralysis and respiratory failure. 3. Ackee fruit. The ackee fruit, native to West Africa and now popular in the Caribbean, contains a potent toxin called hypoglycin A. If not properly ripened and prepared, it can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness, leading to severe vomiting, seizures, and sometimes death. 4. Cassava, maggot cheese. This traditional Sardinian cheese is infested with live insect larvae. The digestive juices of these larvae can break down cheese proteins. But consuming the cheese with the larvae still alive can lead to gastrointestinal issues and potentially dangerous infections. 5. Elderberries. While elderberries have health benefits and are used in various preparations, their raw, unripe, or inadequately cooked berries can contain cyanide-producing compounds. Cyanide poisoning from improperly processed elderberries can cause nausea, vomiting, and even respiratory failure. 6. Rhubarb leaves. The stalks of rhubarb are commonly used in pies and desserts, but their leaves contain high levels of oxalic acid, which can be toxic when ingested in large quantities. Consumption of rhubarb leaves may lead to kidney failure, breathing difficulties, and convulsions. 7. Cassava. A staple crop in many tropical regions, cassava contains a compound called limonene, which converts to cyanide when consumed. Proper processing, such as thorough cooking or soaking, is necessary to reduce the cyanide content and make the cassava safe to eat. 8. Nutmeg. While nutmeg is a popular spice, consuming large amounts of it can lead to myristus and toxicity. Symptoms include hallucinations, dizziness, and convulsions. Fortunately, severe cases are rare due to the small quantities typically used in cooking. 9. Raw honey. Honey is usually safe and nutritious, but raw honey may contain botulinum spores, which can cause infant botulism in babies under 1 year old. To prevent this, infants should not be given raw honey until they reach their first birthday. 10. Peanuts. For most people, peanuts are a tasty and safe snack. However, they can be life-threatening for individuals with severe peanut allergies. Peanut allergies can cause anaphylaxis, a severe allergic reaction that can lead to difficulty breathing and loss of consciousness. While food is meant to nourish and delight us, it's essential to be aware of the potential dangers posed by certain foods. Proper knowledge, preparation, and caution can help avoid the risks associated with these deadly foods. Whether it's the lethal toxins found in certain mushrooms or the potential allergenicity of peanuts, understanding and respecting these risks is crucial for maintaining a safe and enjoyable culinary experience. As always, if in doubt about any food safety, seek guidance from experts or professionals to ensure you and your loved ones stay healthy and safe.